Heto na nga, grabe ito guys. So, kinumpirma po, alright, ng Congress or ng Kamara sa pangunguna po ni Speaker Martin Romualdez po na kung saan na-receive nila ang liham po ni Senate President Francis Chis Escudero noong May 19, 2025. Nandiyan po guys, no? So, ayan po. At ito po ang letter, okay, ni Speaker Martin Romualdez na para po kay Francis Chis Escudero, yung Senate President po natin. Kaya syempre po, no, naghahanda na po ang Senado sa napipintong pagbasa ng impeachment charges laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte sa darating po na June 2, 2025. Ay grabe ito guys! Escudero further informed Speaker Romualdez that the Senate will formally convene as an impeachment court at 9 a.m. of June 3. Ayan na guys, June 3 ha. The letter exchange between the two leaders marked the transition of the impeachment process from the House of Representatives to the Senate, which now assumes jurisdiction as an impeachment court. So, ayan na guys. So, by June 3, alright? 9 a.m. So, comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo. So, ang dalawang leader, okay? Okay, nag-exchange letter na. Kaya breaking news po ito. Comment down below kung ano masasabi nyo dito guys. Grabe ito.